Social experiments.
But I'm not talking.
I'm talking.
Okay, who do you want to interview? Yeah, I'll record. Tell me where you want to go.
Wait, okay, I need man to come with me. He's highly or serious.
It's 7
Oh, Mitra will come.
Hey, man,
I guess sound uses high vocab.
gone crazy.
I have 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 minutes.
Yeah, we just need 2 minutes. It's for a school project. It's a interview. So basically, we just want to get your take on gay rights, and
Are you for or against?
are you for or against? If so, why?
See, as far as I'm concerned, I've never
Come across.
come across any. I've come across people who are gay,
Huh.
but not personally. I've seen them on the roads,
Right.
and if you go to GK, you'll find them. रात को मिलते हैं वो. Initially, सच बताऊंगा, उनसे डर लगता है मेरे को.
डर लगता है.
जब वो
ऐसे
क्योंकि
क्यों?
ना वो ना साउथ एक्स में कभी रात को घूमोगे ना 2-3 बजे, छोटी छोटी शॉर्ट्स पहन के घूम रहे होते हैं वो, और ग्रुप बना के घूमते हैं.
तो लड़की भी ऐसे घूमते हैं ना.
सुन तो लो मेरी बात को. मैं अपनी सच बताऊंगा ना, झूठ क्यों बोलूं.
जी जी.
तो मुझे डर लगता है उनसे, क्योंकि अगर मैं गाड़ी रोकूं तो वो एकदम आ जाते हैं. तो इनिशियली मुझे डर लगता है कि मेरी फर्स्ट फीलिंग समझोगे. दूसरा, एज फार एज दिस इज कंसर्न कि तुम उसके खिलाफ हो या फॉर हो, सो आई थिंक इट्स अ पर्सनल चॉइस उनकी कि भाई वो कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स टोटली ऑन. आई एम नो वन टू बेसिकली से कि भाई ये करना चाहिए कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई थिंक दे हैव देयर ओन स्पेस. आई थिंक दे हैव देयर ओन इंडिविजुअलिटी एंड it's their life. I have nothing to do with it. But personally, if you ask me, if I come across a gay, if I have to spend a night with a gay, तो मैं डर जाऊँगा. जैसे कि एक लड़की डरेगी ना एक अनजान लड़के के साथ, वैसे मैं डर जाऊँगा.
वो ठीक है,
है ना? But if you'll take my opinion, मुझे लगता है it's totally their personal space. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि होने नहीं चाहिए. होने चाहिए जैसे लड़के लड़के होते हैं, जैसे लड़कियाँ लड़कियाँ होती हैं, वैसे लड़के लड़के होते हैं. It's perfectly fine.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
They're both of us are gay.
Okay.
So we just want to know, are you for or against gay?
I'm fine with it.
You're fine with it. Do you have any homosexual friends that you know?
No.
Do you think some might be hiding it? Maybe.
So what about you?
Against
Against.
But why do you say so, sir?
against the nature rule.
Against
Nature.
What's up, if you don't mind me asking? What's up with you and gay rights?
This is
Article C377 should be repealed and gays should have the same rights as anybody else.
Yeah, because there's nothing unnatural, right? But
Like-
so if your son was gay, then would you be fine
would you
with it?
be
To everyone his own.
But would
son
you
or
feel
daughter?
uncomfortable telling others that your son is gay? So if there was a vote, you'd be for it?
Yeah, absolutely.
alright?
And
Thank
so
you.
one more question. Do you have any friends who you believe may be homosexual or who have come out of the closet, so to speak?
I know people who are out of the closet. If somebody is not come out of the closet, I wouldn't know.
You know them personally?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There was a
It is
vote.
an individual choice, any perception that if you think what you're doing is right, it is right. I would not impose my thoughts on somebody, whether it is my son or daughter or my friend or my colleague or whoever it is.
So if there was a
I'm an
poll,
IAS officer and
Oh, yeah, okay.
I am of firm belief and opinion that when somebody is thinking of doing something, it is of mature and very, very independent decision of doing something in life.
Absolutely.
alright.
What else you want from me?
If there was a poll, would you be for
Like
or
if
against?
there was a poll,
100% for, yeah.
alright. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Can find people. Those can say, I don't have any problem, we don't have any issues about
Yeah,
gay rights
everyone
and
says
all.
that, right?
But if you go outside from this airport
Huh.
and you ask this lady,
Huh.
she can understand your thinking and your questions. Definitely she
So you're saying gay is only for the educated, sir?
till now, I think in India.
That's a very strong opinion, sir.
But it's a valid point.
It is valid, yes.
So
You know, we're going to ask
What's
her
her
now.
name?
Rushal.
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 What about you?
Rushal.
Ayush.
Oh, Captain Gautam.
Yeah. Captain Gautam.
You don't have a choice. Auntie, what's your take on Article 377?
And gay rights.
Yeah.
You can have right.
Yeah.
Ishwar?
We have to go.
Damo, can we have 2 minutes of your time?
Oh, dude, we did like 20 people.
We did like 20 guys.
Really good.
Hey, did you tell them you were gay?